Here's an example of a radical simplification or simplification of a radical expression. Okay, the 16x squared on the outside, I'm just going to leave that for now. So I'm going to write it over here. 16x squared, I'm just going to leave it. But I got to work on this stuff under the radical to simplify it. So 98. Well, it's an even number, so I can just divide it by 2. Or I can be thinking, is there a perfect square in there? So the perfect squares are 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, and 100. So 98, let's see. It's not 64. 49 times 2 is 98. Yeah. So it's got to be 2 times 49. So even if I'd have just divided by 2, I would have gotten there as well. So what you can recognize here is that 49 is a perfect square. 7 times 7. So that means I can take the square root of 49 and put it on the outside. So I can put 7 out here and scratch 49. Okay? All right, x to the third is just x squared times x. And I can take an x out, but the x squared, I can take an x out of there. So that's a perfect square as well. Y to the fourth is a perfect square. So the square root of y to the fourth is just y squared. So all I'm left with, I've already broken 98 down, and I've already broken x cubed down. All I'm left with is 2 and x underneath the radical, square root of 2x. So the final answer, 16 times 7, is 112, I think. 6 times 7 is 42. 7 times 1 is 70. And 4, 112. X squared times x, so that these are combined to 112. X squared times x is x to the third power. And then y squared. So I've got these taken care of. And then y squared. All of that times the square root of 2x. So that is my simplified version of that expression.